Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. If you are interested in doing forex and cryptocurrency trading and you are just a beginner, then this video is for you. In today's video, I want to show you how to create a trust wallet. Now, a trust wallet is what you can use to save or store your digital assets. Okay, when I say digital asset, I'm talking about your cryptocurrencies. You want to store them in a safe place so that there will not be any case of theft or any case of hacking or any case of insecurity as regards your digital money. Okay, and that's why I'm showing you in today's video how you can create a trust wallet to save your cryptocurrencies. Okay, now if this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I welcome you to my channel. My name is awajiimam, and I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things that you can do to grow your finances. All right, so quickly, let's go straight to the main reason why we are in this video. So to download your trust wallet, what you're going to do is to go to Google Play Store here, and then on Google Play Store you're going to type trust wallet. Just follow me. You're going to type trust wallet. Can you see it there? You type it there. Once you type it there, you're going to see it here. In my own case, I already have it downloaded to my phone. That's why you're seeing open here. In your own case, it will be showing you install. So when you see install, you click on install and it will be installed to your phone. So right now, we'll assume that we have installed it. What I'm going to do is to go straight to my phone where I have it in my app section. Okay, I'll look for it. Now you can see on my phone screen right now, you can see trust wallet. So I'm going to click on this trust wallet right now just to open it. So follow me so that we can create our trust wallet. So let's assume that you have installed the software, the app properly. What you're going to be seeing is this. What you're seeing on your screen right now, you see create new wallet, add existing wallet. In your own case, you're going to click on create new wallet. So once you click on create new wallet, the next thing you do is that you will see secret phrase. All right, you will see secret phrase. So you click on secret phrase. Now before we click on that secret phrase is a 12-letter words. Okay, 12-letter words that you can use as a pass key, as a passcode. That 12-letter word should never be given to anybody. Are you getting this now? It should never be given to anybody. It's a passcode that if you forget it, you have lost all your money in the crypto wallet. Are you getting it now? So you must make sure that you copy it and keep it in a very safe place. Don't save it online. Find a book or a notepad and write it there. Are you getting it now? So I won't advise you to save it online or give it to anybody. You can write it on a notepad. All right, that said, let's go straight to the secret phrase. You click on create. Let's click on it, and then you come here, you click on backup manually. Don't say backup to Google Drive. Remember, I told you that you don't have to save it online. Don't save it online. Save it as manually. So we come here and click on backup manually. Are you getting this now? Click on backup manually. Now once you click on backup manually, this is what you're going to see. You come to this place. It says what? This secret phrase is the master key to your wallet. Remember what I told you. So you are going to click this to check it, click this to check this, click this to check this, and then you see continue. Click on continue and then click on continue. Now you can see the secret phrases. I won't show you this now, all right, because this is a very important and sensitive information. Now once you see the 12 phrases, all right, the 12-word phrase, all you need to do, you're going to see copy to clipboard. So you click on copy, it will be copied, and then you go to your notepad on your phone and paste it there. You can also use your paper and pen and copy it correctly. All right, so make sure you don't joke with that information because that is the master key to your wallet. So if you lose it, if you miss it, you are going to have to struggle to get your money. So once you have seen that passcode, the 12-word phrase, what you are going to do is to click on continue. So I'll click on copy and then I'll click on continue. Now it will take us to this page where we're going to see a question and answer. Is asking us what is the number one word. Now in your own case, you're going to pick, remember I told you that you've copied it, so it's asking us what is the number one word. What's the first word? The first word there, I'll choose it. Now it's asking us what is the fourth word. The fourth word there now is this. Now what is the seventh word? What is the seventh word? The seventh word is this. And what is the 10th word? The 10th word is this. And once you click it correctly, you will see that this button will be activated. So you click on confirm. You click on confirm, and once you click on confirm, you will see it's going to open up this for you, telling us right now to create a passcode. All right, telling us to create a passcode. So I'm going to create a passcode now. All right. Yes, I have created a passcode. Now it's telling us start using Trust Wallet. So click on it. Our Trust Wallet has been created. As you can see on the screen now, you can see all kinds of cryptocurrencies displayed on the screen. So this is where I'm going to stop for this video. This is how to create your Trust Wallet for storing your cryptocurrencies. If you got value from this video, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when I put out more videos, you are going to be notified that I have shared and published a video. Now before I leave, if you want to learn how you can start trading cryptocurrencies, how to make money from cryptocurrency trading, you don't want to do it on your own. You are going to lose a lot of money because this is a highly volatile business. Okay, you don't have to do it on your own. You need to learn how it works. If you're a beginner and you're watching this right now and you want to learn the exact step-by-step of how to trade cryptocurrencies and make money from it, then go to the link in the description. I'll drop a link there for you. Go to the link in the description. There is a link to where you can learn more. Okay, and also I'll drop the link on a pinned post in the comment section, so do well to check all of that, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.